Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington, Hickville, USA as I love to call it. So welcome to my channel everybody. So this is July 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 12, my last video of the day for a while. So anyways, this is hopefully, well, I can't say it's the last one because when I do this one, when I cut this card, you will see that there will be enough supplies for a second video. So I will do video number 13 here a little bit later on today. So this kit is called Sweeter With You. It's enough cards to do 8 cards and it has 8 envelopes. So instead of doing 9 cards and having 9 envelopes, we get 4 designs, but only 8 cards. So you could have made 2 of this one, 2 of this one, 2 of this one, and 2 of this one, and the envelopes are all the same. And I know I haven't been using the envelopes a whole lot, but don't worry, we'll get there. So over here you have a visual of everything in the kit. This QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed. Down here there's that typo that says 9 cards and 9 envelopes. That is incorrect. There are supplies for 8 cards and 8 envelopes. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I show you everything in the kit. After that, we just kind of mosey along like Mr. Hank. So down here, this QR code would lead you to this set of 9 dies. They're called the Circle of Season dies. They coordinate with July, August, and September's Paper Pumpkin kit. So the stamps are hello, friend. Life is sweeter with you. You're the best. Love you lots. Thank you. We have the 2 flowers and the leaf and the strawberry itself. So let me just dive right on in. I'm going to take a sip of some very bitter tea. It's good. It's just on the bitter side. So I have a note here. Cut on diagonal and make 1 card with each set is what it should say. So I chose, because I haven't used any of the garden green card bases this time. So I have 2 size cards. Are they the same? That's 4 1/4, and this one is, yes, they are both 4 1/4 by 5. So one will be video 13 and one will be video number 12. So what we're going to do is we are going to cut these on diagonal. You can use a guillotine, you can use whatever it is you want to use, you can use it. Today we're going to use the guillotine just because I prefer my guillotine over the trimmer. So I am going to cut this one. Maybe we'll do something a little different with the next set, but we're going to cut, these are half of each of the card bases. So we have this one with the strawberries. Chomp. We have 2 diagonal pieces, and we're going to chomp this one in half as well. And chomp. So what you want to do is put opposites together. And so I have this one will be for video number 13. Right, like so. This one's going to be for video number 12. Now this is going to be really fairly simple. We're just going to put this on our card base. Now I'm going to do a little stamping on this one, garden green on garden green, and I'm going to use a stamp from Berry Blessings. Let me see if I can get the stamp case and show you. This was from the lovely Phyllis. I'm going to use this stamp here. I'm not going to use this one. I'm just going to use the outline. It's the closest I have to any type of leaf for a strawberry. They're blackberry leaves, but they're going to do the job. They're going to get the job done. I know I have a different Stampin' Pierce mat, but this will do the job as well. I was like looking for that stamp. Y'all know what I was looking for, my thinking fingers, right? So I am just going to stamp leaves on here. I just want a pattern of some kind, just so it's just not, you could use itty bitty backgrounds. I just want a pattern is all. Then I'm going to go have some lunch. I am a creature of habit, guys. So what do I have for lunch? Let me tell you. I either have a chicken salad or I have tuna, and I don't eat bread. So it's usually with lettuce leaves is what I eat my tuna with, or chicken salad is salad. No salad dressing. Very plain person here. Yes, that's me. Now we're going to go ahead and stamp on our envelope as well. Why? Because we can. So I'm going to stamp a leaf there. Just a few around the edge. And I'm going to stamp a little bit like right there. I might even go ahead and stamp on the inside of my, just a little something. I don't want too much because I'm not sure what all is going on the inside, but there's that. So with that being said, we're simply going to take this, glue it in the upper corner because that's the part. If I went like this, my strawberries are going to be upside down. So that's not going to work. So this has got to go in the upper left-hand corner. Just something a little different. Mixing it up with this garden green, which is so plain. I mean, I know it has a little bit of a print on it, but it is plain. And this one is going to come right there. And you can, I don't know if you can see the upper right hand corner. I have one of the circle sentiments from this kit as well. So we have this in the center. We're going to stamp. We're going to have a strawberry and a leaf. This is how simple this card is going to be. So we are going to stamp on here, and we're going to go ahead and stamp that. No, we're not. I just can't do it. I can't stamp that Life is Sweeter with You. We can do the Hello Friend. We're going to reorientate it again. This is why I cut it apart. We're going to do hello first, and then we'll do the, I was looking to see if I had another block. Just hold on. We'll put them on different blocks. So there's my friend, because I cut this apart, right? And there's my hello. Let's put the lid back on the glue. And we are going to orientate hello up here and friend here. So I have, well, we could do it like hello, friend, and do my strawberry off. Okay, I'm not too worried about that. So we're just going to center it. Hello. And friend. And then we're going to stamp some little flowers around it as well. And I just dipped my finger in the ink. You guys know me. It's going to happen one way or the other. It just does. There goes a block. I'm trying to get the Daffodil Delight here. We're going to do some stamping off. I don't think you need all of them. So we're just going to use the one. Well, that looks good. So we just added a little bit on there. And we're just going to do hello friend in the center. You could add a piece of vellum. Let me show you what that would look like here if I can grab. I'm not going to use it because then I would need. But if you wanted to, you could add that beautiful scallop, and that would add a really nice piece. That would look really nice, but I'm not going to because it covers too much of of my stamping there, and I like my stamping. So we're just going to go with hello friend. Do I want dimensionals? I don't know. No, I'm going to go. My original thought for this card was no, and then the other one I wanted to use dimensional. So I'm going to stick with my mindset. So I'm going to go a little bit up from center, only because I have my strawberry I want to bring down here. Kind of right there. And then I want to add my little strawberry right here. And that's it. That was all I planned to do that was how quick and easy this is. Hello, friend. And then we're going to stamp that life is sweeter with you. Bring back the Poppy Parade that inked me up a minute ago. That's how I drop it when I start turning it. We're going to add some more Daffodil Delight here as well. This time we're going to use that little flower. Then we're going to stamp, I think, a little I know you can't hardly see it, but it's there just a little bit. And then we're going to stamp You're the Best. In Poppy Parade. Right across everything at the bottom of our envelope. And that's it. That's the card. That's number 11, number 12. Oh, number 13, we're going to use the other two diagonal pieces, but after lunch. So there we have it. Hello, friend. And yes, the stickily glitter glue is going to come out. It will have time to dry. So I'm going to add some right in here. And I'm only going to add it on this part of the strawberry. And then these little bits. I don't want to overdo it. Oh, I forgot to get, I really want to get that, excuse me, the crystal effects down, and I forgot to get it because I think that is going to go really well on some of these strawberries. So what I'm probably going to do is cover some strawberries from the kit in crystal effects and use those. So anyways, there you have it. We could actually, I could add stickles in those, but just quick, simple little card. No, no too fussy. Just adding a little bit more in these flowers. I like that. That draws your eyes more to the sentiment, hello friend. So I hope you all like this one as well. Yes, I have to do some prep videos here for this week. Another busy week for me ahead. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you all again here soon in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.